Earn $500 a day with AI, no skills needed. What's up, guys? It's Wetmanot. Who wants to make some serious cash online? I'm talking about the kind of money that lets you buy that new gaming PC, or even just pay your bills without breaking a sweat. Now you might be thinking, easy for you to say, Mr. Beast, you're already rolling in it, but guys, this isn't about me, this is about you. AI is changing the game. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 AI-powered side hustles that can help you rake in up to $500 a day. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to learn how to make it rain with AI. The $100 article AI content creation. Alright, let's kick things off with method number 1, AI-powered content creation. Businesses everywhere are desperate for high-quality content, and that's where you come in. The demand for fresh, engaging content is higher than ever. Think of it like this: you become the ultimate middleman, connecting businesses with the power of AI. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai are like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips, ready to crank out blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, you name it. These tools are incredibly versatile. So how do you make money from this? It's super simple. You just need to follow a few straightforward steps. Step 1. Head over to websites like Fiverr or Upwork and create a gig offering AI-written content. These platforms are great for reaching a wide audience. Make sure to highlight the benefits of using AI. It's fast, affordable, and produces killer content. Clients will appreciate the efficiency and quality. Step 2. Once you start getting orders, just plug the client's requirements into your AI writing tool of choice. It's as easy as that. Boom! The AI will generate amazing content in seconds. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can fulfill orders. You could easily charge $20, $50, even $100 per article, depending on the length and complexity. The earning potential is significant. And here's a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. Offer a discount for bulk orders. This strategy can help you secure more clients. Clients love a good deal, and it'll keep them coming back for more. AI can write anything. The possibilities are endless. Think social media captions, email newsletters, even scripts for YouTube videos. The versatility of AI tools is truly impressive. The AI handles all the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what matters, raking in that sweet, sweet cash. It's a game changer for content creators. Faceless Fortunes AI YouTube automation. Alright, ready for method number 2? Let's dive right in. This one's for all my camera-shy friends out there. No need to worry about being on screen. It's time to dive into the world of AI YouTube automation. Trust me, it's a game changer. Yeah, you heard that right. AI can handle a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You can crush it on YouTube without ever showing your face. Imagine the possibilities. Here's the deal. YouTube is a goldmine for making money online, and it's more accessible than ever. But not everyone's cut out to be the next big YouTuber. The pressure can be intense. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. It's like having a digital assistant. With the right AI tools, you can automate almost every aspect of your channel, making your life so much easier. From script writing to video editing to voiceovers, AI has got you covered. So how do you get started? Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you need to pick a niche. This will be the foundation of your channel. This is crucial because you want to target a specific audience with your content. The more focused, the better. Think about what you're passionate about or what you know a lot about. Passion drives success. Maybe it's gaming, finance, motivation, history, or even just telling crazy stories. The options are endless. Once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to unleash the power of AI. This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT is your new best friend when it comes to script writing. It's like having a co-writer. Just give it a topic and some keywords and bam! You've got a fully written script ready to go. It's that simple. Now for the video creation part, we've got tools like Pictory and InVideo. These are incredibly user-friendly. These bad boys can turn your AI-generated scripts into stunning videos with just a few clicks. No editing skills required. They've got stock footage, music, transitions, the whole 9 yards. Everything you need to make your video pop. And for the final touch, we're bringing in the big guns, 11 Labs. This tool is a game changer for voiceovers. This AI tool generates incredibly realistic voiceovers, so you don't even need to use your own voice. It's amazing. Just paste in your script, choose your preferred voice, and boom, instant professional voiceover. You've got a professional sounding voiceover that'll have your viewers hooked. They'll never know it's AI. Now, all that's left to do is upload your masterpiece to YouTube and start monetizing with ads. And the best part, it's all automated. You can literally rinse and repeat this process for endless content. The sky's the limit. The more videos you upload, the more views you get, and the more money you make. It's a numbers game. Oh, and here's a bonus tip: use AI to generate eye-catching thumbnails and titles for your videos. This can make a huge difference. Remember, we're playing the YouTube algorithm here, and AI is our secret weapon. Let's get started and make some magic happen. Alright guys, are you ready for the easiest and most passive way to make money with AI? It's simpler than you think. This one's for all my fellow lazy people out there who just want to sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in without lifting a finger. I'm talking about print on demand, baby. Businesses always need fresh and unique designs. T-shirt designs, mug designs, phone case designs, you name it. The possibilities are endless. And that's where you come in, armed with the power of AI to create stunning visuals. Platforms like Midjourney and Canva AI are like having a personal design team at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life. You don't need any design skills whatsoever. Seriously, none at all. Just tell the AI what you want, and it'll whip up some seriously awesome designs in seconds. It's like magic. So, how do you turn these AI-generated designs into cold, hard cash? Easy peasy. Let me break it down for you. Sign up for a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. These platforms are super user-friendly. These platforms handle all the printing, shipping, and customer service, while you get to focus on the fun part, making money. It's a win-win. Once you've got your account set up, simply upload your AI-generated designs, set your prices, and boom, you're officially in business. It's that simple. Every time someone buys one of your designs, the platform prints and ships it directly to the customer, and you get a cut of the profits. No hassle at all. And the best part is, you don't need to invest a single penny in inventory. Zero upfront costs. The print-on-demand platform handles all of that, so you're literally making money in your sleep. How cool is that? So there you have it, guys. 3 mind-blowing ways AI can help you make bank online, even if you have zero skills. We've covered AI content creation, AI YouTube automation, and AI-powered print-on-demand. AI is the future, and now is the best time to cash in. Which method will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI money-making tips, and don't forget to smash that like button. See you in the next video.